Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got an absolutely fantastic 2026 911 GT3 trimmed in GT Silver Metallic. Let's take a closer look at this one. Okay, here she is, 2026 911 GT3 in GT Silver Metallic. I love GT Silver Metallic. I know people say it's like a red Ferrari. There's too many red Ferraris and there's too many silver Porsches, but I don't care. There's a reason why they picked those colors. GT Silver is the best color on one of these, in my humble opinion. This one comes to us with just 700 miles on the odometer at present. It is offered as a Porsche approved certified pre-owned vehicle, meaning it carries the remaining 4-year or 50,000 mile factory warranty, plus an additional 2 years unlimited mileage. And we have gone through the vehicle to ensure that it is up to standard. Another benefit of this car is it has been treated to a full car paint protection film. So clear film on the entire car, all the painted surfaces, including the roof, which I'll talk about here in just a moment. This car has been really well optioned. It does have the Porsche Ceramic Composite Brakes, so to give you the maximum braking performance with no fade, and those beautiful yellow calipers behind the staggered 20 and 21-inch wheels that are shod in Pirelli P0R rubber. This car is ready to hit the track right away. Oh yeah, I mentioned the roof. So carbon fiber roof, love this option. So the early GT3s that came to the United States came with sunroofs, which to me was always the silliest thing because, you know, what the heck. But any generation after that came with a slick top. So no sunroof, just a metal roof. So this one does have the carbon fiber that's going to actually take some additional weight out of the highest point of the vehicle, which to me is just absolutely fantastic. Back here, talk about this wing in just a second, but I did want to point out you've got the 4.0 on the engine lid. That means it does have the 4-liter naturally aspirated flat six, making 503 horsepower. Just an absolutely tremendous engine. From the moment you sit in this car and start it up, you know you're getting into a real motorsports grade car. And speaking of motorsports grade, we do have the swan neck adjustable GT3 wing at the back. Really cool design. I've watched motorsports for the last probably 2 decades, and I've noticed at a certain point engineers figured out that if you mount the wing uprights on the top of the wing, you actually get an aerodynamic benefit versus mounting it from underneath. So you'll notice a lot of cars have slowly transitioned to that swan neck style. Super cool. Back here we've got the very functional rear diffuser. This is not for show. It actually serves aerodynamic benefit, as do all of the other aerodynamic bits on this car. And then that beautiful center exit dual exhaust. What else can I talk about? Oh, it's just so cool. This one's been optioned with the HD Matrix headlights. Those are LED headlights, going to give you excellent lighting performance at night. And then you've got the signature 4 kind of corner LED daytime running lights. I think Porsche kind of started doing that about 10, 11 years ago, and it just looks so cool. You instantly know what you are seeing on the road. We've got that front splitter. This car is outfitted with the front axle lift. Because this car is so low to the ground, especially compared to your standard 911s, you do have the ability to raise and lower the nose a bit to clear obstacles. And then we've got these vents on the carbon fiber hood. This hood is carbon, it just happens to be painted to take negative pressure out from the frontal area. Super cool. All right, let's take a look at the interior. Now generally the interiors of GT3s are fairly Spartan compared to the regular road-going 911s. A lot of 911s get optioned with tons and tons of leather. This one's definitely more business, but I appreciate that about it. It's got Race Tex synthetic suede on the armrest and door handle. Race Tex on the headliner, and then this has the new folding carbon fiber bucket seats, which are really awesome. Sorry, there's a Dakar just behind me. Yeah, folding carbon fiber bucket seats, trimmed in leather and Race Tex with some deviated stitching. Really cool. You do have the ability to fold those seats forward. Look at this beautiful carbon. And then get access to your rear area. This one obviously is devoid of a rear seat, but you can put your helmet or some other gear back there if you're going to the track. Let's start it up for you. I don't know, hopefully you'll be able to hear it at least fairly well. There's some background noise going on right now. Nice lightweight flywheel, giving you some fast revving. And as I said, 700 miles exactly on the odometer. This one's optioned with the Porsche design sub-second clock. Just a beautiful piece of jewelry on the dashboard. And it has the 7-speed PDK automated manual gearbox to give you lightning fast gear shifts. You know, it's maybe not as engaging as a proper 6-speed manual that's also offered in these cars, but if you want fast lap times, you want the PDK, period, end of story. Okay, once more, that is our 2026 certified pre-owned Porsche 911 GT3 in GT Silver Metallic. If you're interested in learning more about this car, please give me a call. My direct phone line is area code 719-219-5015. And if you do me a favor, please like the video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more sports car content from Cars and Corey. Thanks for watching.